Gratitude is truly a magical frequency. It's the frequency of abundance. It's the ultimate frequency of receiving. It's the frequency that tells the universe, I am an abundant person. I have more than I need. I have more than enough. Abundance is my birthright. Abundance is my nature. Abundance is my core essence. Abundance is who I am. Every time you express gratitude, every time you allow yourself to be in the vibration of gratitude, you're telling the universe, abundance is my birthright. I am abundance. When you don't express gratitude for what you already have in your life, you are staying in the state of lack. And sometimes this state of lack is actually what is postponing your manifestation, because there are certain things you want to manifest, but at the same time, since you don't appreciate what you already have and you're not happy with what you already have, you are creating unconsciously this energy, this low energy of lack and resistance. And sometimes this energy is keeping you stuck in your current place and preventing you from getting your manifestation, because you don't allow yourself to become the energy that you want to attract. You don't allow yourself to embody the state that will allow you to shift into the reality when you already have your manifestation, right? So it's very, very important to be aware of your internal state of being and what is going on in your state of being. And if you struggle like lack and limitation and feeling like you don't have enough, especially if you're trying to manifest money or manifest more abundance in any way in your reality, and you're currently struggling with feeling a lot of lack, and you're struggling with kind of getting into the state of I already have it, I'm already an abundant person, then gratitude can really help you with this. Because gratitude is this ultimate frequency of abundance. When you're grateful, like it's such a special feeling in your heart that you really do feel like, oh my God, I am so abundant. Because gratitude, if expressed correctly and if expressed through your heart, because gratitude is something you have to experience in your heart, this kind of powerful energy really has the potential to transform your entire life in a very positive way. Gratitude is the answer if you want to attract this, like all of these magical circumstances, all of these synchronicities, all of these like things coming to you out of nowhere, literally out of the blue. Like gratitude is the answer to this, because the more you stay in this energy, in this frequency of gratitude, the more you actually become a match for this kind of circumstances, because the universe always appreciates grateful people. Remember that the universe is your mirror, reality is your mirror. So when you express gratitude for something, even like one thing in your life, just choose one thing in your life and feel like sheer gratitude for it. And because this will allow you to put yourself on this frequency of abundance, and the universe will simply mirror this frequency. Because whenever you express gratitude, you say to the universe, look how much I've already got. Look how abundant I am. Abundance is always present in my reality. I am abundance. And the universe is kind of like, yeah, like you're feeling so abundance, you're sending out all of this abundant, happy energy, then I'm just going to give you more of this. I'm going to give you more of this energy. I'm going to give you more of the circumstances that confirm that, yes, abundance is your birthright, joy is your birthright, happiness is your birthright, manifesting your desires is your birthright. Because you are in this state of appreciation. So you are not focusing on lack and limitation. You are not focusing on resistance, because you're too busy focusing on all of the things that make you happy, that make you feel grateful, that make you connect to your heart on a deeper level. And this is the true transformative power of real gratitude. Because there is a difference between real gratitude and kind of expressing gratitude because everyone in personal development, spiritual communities now telling you to express gratitude because expressing gratitude is good for you. But do you actually know how to express gratitude correctly? Do you actually know how to activate this powerful frequency of gratitude? I mean, so many people right now are having a gratitude journal practice. And this is an amazing practice, don't get me wrong. This is such a beneficial, amazing practice if you do this correctly. Because if you just like every day write down the things you're grateful for, and just write it down, and you don't even pay attention to them, you don't even focus on them, you don't even feel much when writing down the things you're grateful for, then are you actually expressing gratitude? Like I've just said, gratitude has to be expressed in your body. Gratitude has to be expressed in your heart. Gratitude is a feeling. So if you actually write stuff down, but there's no feeling, then do you actually express gratitude, or do you just write stuff down? So think about this. Gratitude is a feeling, and feeling needs to be experienced. Because what is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. So in order to create this powerful frequency, in order to merge with this powerful frequency, you actually have to allow yourself to feel this frequency in order to become this frequency. So by all means, have your gratitude journal practice. But when you do your gratitude journal, just feel why are you grateful for the things you're writing down. You're grateful for, just ask yourself, how do these things make you feel special? How do these things benefit you? And also, gratitude journal is an amazing practice, but you just do this in the morning for 5 minutes, and then what? Then what? You just go about the rest of your day not appreciating anything? This won't create a lot of gratitude momentum in your life, because to truly experience the power of gratitude in your life, you have to make gratitude a part of your dominant state of being. So when you go about your day, just find this little conscious moment to express gratitude for anything you want to express gratitude. Everyone has different things they are grateful for right now in their reality. So just don't force yourself to feel gratitude for something. Just pick the thing that will naturally bring you gratitude. Thing or a person or a circumstance or whatever. And you can even reach out to your past, and you can be grateful for some past experiences. Just find throughout your day things that make you feel gratitude, because you want to stay on this frequency. You don't just want to connect with this frequency for 5 minutes in the morning. You really want to stay in this frequency, because the more you stay in this frequency, the more miracles and abundance you will actually attract into your life. And that brings me to another gratitude hack, which is gratitude can help you speed up your manifestations. And why is that? Is because the key to manifesting anything is becoming a vibrational match to it, right? Simple. We live in a quantum universe. So in order to get into the reality you want to get to, you need to match its frequency. You have to embody this reality on the vibrational level. So let's say you want to manifest money. So in order to speed up the process of manifesting money, you can be, number one, grateful for the money you already have, even if you don't have much. Trust me, even if you don't have much, even if you have a penny, and you will somehow brainwash yourself to be grateful for the penny, or just look around you and just be grateful for the stuff you've already bought, the stuff you already possess, because this is the proof that money actually showed up in your reality before, and money can show up in your reality again because of that. When you brainwash yourself for this state, you're gonna start attracting more abundance. Or number two, you can start just simply being grateful for the money that is already present in your reality, for the money you're manifesting. So you kind of have to brainwash yourself into thinking and feeling like you already have it, and that will actually speed the manifestation, because whenever you put yourself in the state of gratitude, you put yourself in the state of receiving, and it actually kind of tells your brain and your subconscious mind that the event has already occurred, and because you're grateful for this, so you kind of program yourself for attracting this abundance. You program yourself for attracting this money. You can do this with anything else. You can do this with love. You can do this with happiness. You can do this with material things, any material object you want to manifest. You can do this with success. You can do this with career, just anything you want. You can use gratitude as a booster to attract these things faster to you. And if you're just starting with gratitude, don't expect that the first time you just try to feel gratitude, you're gonna feel it super deeply. Because that's not the case. Because gratitude is a skill, like feeling every vibration, like getting yourself onto like every vibration, changing your core frequency, your core energy, like it requires practice, right? So maybe the first time you feel gratitude and you don't feel it that deeply because you just become familiar with the feeling, you actually like almost like teach yourself what is it like to feel gratitude? How does gratitude feel like? Because if you haven't been the most grateful person, then it takes a skill to actually like get familiar with gratitude and what actually is gratitude. So then when you grasp what this feeling is, like every time you connect to gratitude, every time you express gratitude, you feel it a little bit deeper and a little bit deeper and a little bit deeper. And essentially you find yourself in the space when you really can feel gratitude through your heart. And when you get into this place, whenever you just like express gratitude deeply, you can just go into this like deep level of feeling it in your heart, feeling it in your body, feeling it with your entire being. Like this is really when you send out this super, super powerful frequency into this universe, into the universe. And the universe has to respond to this frequency. Like there is no other option, because reality is your mirror. You focus on abundance, you get abundance. You express gratitude, you get more reasons to be grateful for. You make gratitude your state of being, suddenly you just start attracting things out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, because you are suddenly like a match for all of these wonderful circumstances because you're so grateful and you just live in this like state of constant receiving. So gratitude can help you not only speed up your manifestations, not only get your manifestations faster, but harmonize your entire reality, harmonize your entire life. Because apart from like manifesting our desires, apart from like manifesting specific things, specific people into our lives, we also want to enjoy like this harmonious, joyful, beautiful reality on a daily basis, right? And gratitude can really help you with this. Gratitude can give you this harmonious, joyful reality. Because gratitude is truly a magical frequency and it has the potential to completely transform your entire life in a positive way. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you will become much more familiar with gratitude and you will allow gratitude to create like this amazing things and circumstances in your reality. So start expressing gratitude and just like try it for yourself, and you will just experience and see how much gratitude can transform your entire reality. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.